Welcome to the Faculty of Engineering, Computing and Mathematics at the University of Western Australia. This faculty offers 5 majors in the university's new undergraduate degrees, and you can take these majors either as your degree-specific major or as a second major combined with something else. Our majors are Engineering Science, Computer Science, which I'm going to tell you about in this presentation, as well as Applied Computing, Mathematics and Statistics, and Quantitative Methods. If you take any of these majors as your degree-specific major, you'll also need to take the required complementary units, but I'll give you more information about the complementary units later in this presentation. So, let's think for a moment about what computer science is. Computer software and systems are becoming increasingly integral to our lives. They're revolutionizing the way in which we live, work, and communicate. Just think for a moment about Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, all products of computer science. This major will provide you with the knowledge and skills required to participate in this revolution. It will help you to develop your knowledge of theoretical, algorithmic implementation, and systems principles that underpin computer languages and networks. If you wish to play a role in developing new computing technologies or specialize in enterprise-level programming, systems, software engineering or research careers, then computer science is the major for you. Computer science can be taken as a degree-specific major in the Bachelor of Science or the Bachelor of Philosophy. Okay, so we're going to have a look at the course study plan for the computer science major. So this person is enrolled in a Bachelor of Science and their degree-specific major is computer science. First of all, we've highlighted those units which are degree-specific major units. So those units must be completed in order to do this major. As a requirement of the degree, you will also need to complete 4 broadening units, and we've highlighted those in yellow for you. Next, these are the complementary units that we talked about. So if you want to take the computer science major as your degree-specific major, you must select these 3 majors. Lastly, we've highlighted the elective units. Now, if you wanted to take a second major, that may form these elective units instead. Okay, so the computer science major, this is an example of a first-year study plan. Now, bear in mind that units can count towards different components. So if you were to study this cluster of units, you would be equipped for a degree-specific major in computer science, engineering science, or mathematics and statistics. You would also be equipped to have a second major in computer science, engineering science, or maths and statistics. We've added 1 broadening unit here as well, which is a category B broadening unit, which you can see highlighted in yellow. So what occupations will computer science lead to? I'm not going to read them all out because there's quite a few here. The biggest sector is by far business and systems analysts and programmers. And probably the next sector worth mentioning is human resource and training professionals. There's some interesting things in here. Midwifery and nursing professionals also make a significant percentage of this chart, as do accountants, auditors, and company secretaries. So as you can see, this leads to a range of different outcomes. What about starting salaries? In 2009, which is a couple of years ago, but it's not too distant past, a computer science graduate was starting on nearly 60,000, so maybe about 57,000. If you've already completed some tertiary study and you're going to be applying for credit, you can seek advice or help from the faculty on your options. If you want to email the faculty, you can contact us on inquiries-ecm@uwa.edu.au.